tfl.gov.uk or nationalrail.co.uk and allow extra time for your journey. Please refer to our travel advice posters or speak to station staff if you need any help planning your journey.
Platform 2 for the 1826 Greater Anglia Service to Stansted Airport, calling at Cheshunt, Harlow Town, Bishop Stortford and Stansted Airport. This train is formed of 12 coaches. During this hot weather, please carry a bottle of water with you at all times. If you feel unwell, please seek assistance from a member of staff at a station. This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted. 24-hour CCTV recording is in operation at this station for the purpose of security and safety management. Uniform and plainclothes enforcement teams operating at the station and on board. Please present your valid ticket and payment method for inspection upon request. Thank you for your cooperation.
From Saturday 20th of July until Saturday 3rd of August, a one-way system will be operating at Seven Sisters due to Network Rail Bridge Replacement work. This will be in operation during peak hours, Mondays to Fridays, and at other busy times at the station. To access the London Overground platforms from the Victoria Line or Seven Sisters Road, you will need to walk via Bristol Road, which is clearly signed. Please speak to station staff if you need any help.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 1834 London Overground service to London Liverpool Street, calling at Stamford Hill, Stoke Newington, Rectory Road, Hackney Downs, London Fields, Cambridge Heath, Bethnal Green and London Liverpool Street. The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 1835 London Overground service to Enfield Town, calling at Bruce Grove, White Hart Lane, Silver Street, Edmonton Green, Bush Hill Park and Enfield Town.
Please do not obstruct the doors using your hands or other objects. This may delay the train or cause injury to yourself or others.
Calling at Broxbourne, Bishop Stortford, Audley End, Whittlesford Parkway, Cambridge and Cambridge North. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
Customer information. There is no service between Hackney Downs and Chingford until Sunday the 4th of August due to Network Rail Bridge Replacement works. Please check before you travel at tfl.gov.uk or nationalrail.co.uk and allow extra time for your journey. Please refer to our travel advice posters or speak to station staff if you need any help planning your journey.
Platform 1 for the 1838 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street. London Liverpool Street. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
London Overground customer information. Smoking, including e-cigarettes and vaping, and drinking alcohol is not permitted on any train or station. Thank you.
Greater Anglia service to Cambridge North, calling at Broxbourne, Bishop Stortford, Town, Sawbridgeworth and Stansted Airport. This train is formed of 12 coaches. Platform 2 of the 1843 Greater Anglia Service to Stansted Airport, calling at Cheshunt, Harlow Town, Sawbridgeworth and Stansted Airport. This train is formed of 12 coaches.
From Saturday 20th of July until Saturday 3rd of August, one-way system will be operating at Seven Sisters due to Network Rail Bridge Replacement work. This will be in operation during peak hours, Mondays to Fridays, and at other busy times of the station. To access the London Overground platforms from the Victoria Line or Seven Sisters Road, in the book via Bristol Road, which is clearly signed. Please speak to station staff if you need any help.
Roxbourne, Croydon, Harlow Town, Harlow Mill, Sawbridgeworth, Bishop Stortford, Stansted Mount Fitchett, Elsenham, Newport, Audley End, Great Chesterford, Whittlesford Parkway, Shelford and Cambridge. This train is formed of 5 coaches.